Hi everyone, I'm Ferd and welcome to my video. I'm working on this eXmark Lazer Z zero turn. Today I'm going to change out the deck belt. A lot of critical information that you're going to get here, and you don't want to mess this thing up because they're $200. These things are 199 inches long. But let me show you how to route it, how to install it, and put you a new belt on your zero turn mower. Enjoy the video. I need to change out the deck belt. As you can see right there, there's a big old chunk missing out of the middle of it. Okay, I want to get in here. So I'm going to take this panel off of it. You're going to need a 1/2 inch breaker bar. On the right side of the mower, on this pulley, it's actually the tensioner pulley. Right there is where you want to put your breaker bar, right in here. Just like that. And you can see it this way. Okay, with that breaker bar on there, I'm going to pull it this way towards the front. You're going to extend the spring on it. Once I get all the tension off of it, I can remove the belt. And then release that pressure off of that spring. Try to remember the routing of the belt so you can put your other one on the same way. And it's as simple as that. It's just a very expensive belt. That's the only problem. And once I get all that unhooked, I can go to the back and remove it from the PTO. And we should be able to pull our belt out. And you can see this belt was like one mow away from breaking. So he got it here just in time. Okay, I got both my belts laying there. Make sure I've got the right one. And these things are 199 inches long. Here's the numbers on the belt. And this is supposed to be a genuine OEM part. Almost impossible to get a good view of how the belt goes on with the deck on there. Now if you look right down here by your idler, that's your idler right here, and then the bar that goes to the spring, you want your belt to go right between there. And we're going to send it all the way back there and wrap it around the pulley. I think that might be enough. Let's go put it on there. Okay, I got it around the pulley back here. It looks like they may have crisscrossed on me, so there we go. Okay, the flat part, we got it like that. The left side's going to go around this pulley, and the other side's going to go around that pulley and then straight over to the blade on that side of it. Over here, I still have my hand on the other end of the belt over on that side so it doesn't fall off the pulley back here. It's coming off of the idler and it goes around the blade pulley on this side. After it goes around the blade pulley, it goes on this flat one here, and then it goes around this V pulley right here in the front. Just like that. And then both of these ends are going to go over this way around the blade on the right side. If you're sitting on the mower, it'd be the right side. It's coming out right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it off that big one up here, and I'm going to go ahead and feed it around this pulley. There's a pin here. I want to be on this side of it, and then inside of this pin right here. We'll grab the belt here. I'm going to grab that breaker bar, and I'm going to pull it towards me and then feed this belt around this pulley right here. Let the tension off of it. I'm going to go all the way around it and check and make sure that nothing's flipped. If not, the belt's on there and you're ready to go. Take my breaker bar out. And you want to make sure that you got this thing right, just for the mere fact that if you buy an OEM belt, this thing could cost you upwards of $200. Okay, the last thing we need to do, put our covers back on it. It's real easy. They just lay in there. There's a hook back here in the back, and then they hook right here on that hoop. You got one on this side. Same thing on this side, just a little bit smaller. Put our pan in the middle of it, and it's ready to go. If you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some good information out of it. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button on the way out and help support my channel. I got a lot of videos up there, and I got a lot more coming. Ring that notification bell and you'll get notified as soon as I put them up there. Remember to always stay safe in the shop, wear your safety glasses, and have fun. Thank you for watching.